Hello everyone, Mrs. Hamby, and today's lesson we're going to use a compass and a straight edge, and we're going to create a line that is parallel to this black line but goes through the point W. And so you could, with your pen, try and draw a parallel line. Even if you had a ruler, it might be parallel, but it might not be perfect. So we're going to actually use some tools so that we know for a fact our line is perfectly parallel. All right, so the first step you want to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to click on the line. And so what you want to do is we need to click and drag to draw a line. So we're going to click on our point W, and we're going to make a line that intersects that black line. And you're going to just go ahead and see how it's blue here. Once that point is actually on that black line, it'll turn gray, and then you'll want to release your mouse. So you're going to click, drag, make sure that point is on your black line, and then release. You're not going to want to have this line perpendicular. It makes it a little bit more challenging. So try and make it so it kind of intersects it, not perpendicular or at a 90-degree angle. All right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to grab our compass and we're going to copy this angle. So we're going to go ahead, take this, and we're going to copy. So we're going to click and we're going to drag out our circle. And we're just going to make a circle around here, and what we're going to do is we're going to copy this angle right here. So we're going to go ahead and use our pencil, and you're going to mark that arc right here to measure this arc here to kind of give that angle. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take the same circle, and you're going to go and you're going to drag it down over here, and you're going to mark that same arc. And so in a sense, we're trying to create this same arc. Now, this is the part where a lot of people do wrong. So what I want you to do is take this circle. We're going to go back to this arc, but we're not going to put it on the center here. We're going to put it on the edge, and we're actually going to measure to this other. So basically where that arc intersected that transversal line and that black line. So we're actually measuring the radius of from this arc to this arc. So don't put it on that center, put it on from the intersecting arc here and the intersecting arc there. And then you're going to take that and you're going to drag it. And once again, don't put it on the center. You want to put it on this arc. So we're going to go from the intersecting arc and the intersecting arc. And then you're going to go ahead and you're going to draw your arc. And I guess I should have dreamed this one a little bit longer, but we can kind of see. All right, now what we're going to do is we have this angle, and this angle is going to be the exact same length or degrees. So we're going to now take our line, and wherever these two arcs intersect, we're going to go from our point W to that arc, intersecting arc. And now these two angles are going to be perfectly parallel. And so we knew from when we did parallel lines cut by a transversal that this one, if we just took it and dragged it down, was going to be the same length as this one. So we know these are corresponding angles is what we call them. They're going to be congruent or the same measurement. So these two lines are parallel. And we're going to just submit our answer. Check, we got it. All right, so watch the next video to do another example. I will go a little bit faster, but sometimes you need to see it more than once. So watch the next video if you need extra help.